Hey, if you want to adjust keyboard theme on the Nothing phone to A, all you have to do is just to go into the settings. We have to actually start from this page, and now we have to scroll down all the way down. We have to move into the system. Now we have to go into the keyboard, select on-screen keyboard, and now move into the Gboard. From this, you have to go into the theme. And first of all, we can actually pick this default themes with the default colors. But also we can scroll down and get like more advanced with the landscapes, light and the dark gradient. But also we can set your custom by clicking right here. You can create your own theme. You can set your photo, for example. So this is what I'm gonna do actually. Now we can pinch to scale. Let's pick, for example, this part. Click next. From here we can adjust the brightness for this picture. We can click done. And additionally, we can turn on and off the key borders. After this, you can click apply, and that's how it works. Right now, please subscribe.